I'm Michael Dern. I'm a family physician, family doc. I've been at this for about 32 and a half years with Signature Healthcare. What I hope to do is try to take where technology today is bombarding us with the electronic health record, the electronic medical record, and iPods and iPads and this pad and that pad, and by the end of it, all the electronics bombarding us. I'm trying to take what was once our noble profession and help slow down what's starting to become a depersonalized industry. And I love 110 Liberty Street with all my heart. You know, people say, but it's so big. I said, yeah, but it's what happens inside the exam room. And so what happens inside the exam room then translates into, if you need a test, you have it right there. I can go down and look at an EKG with a cardiologist and not have to tell the patient, come back, you know, tomorrow to get the results of your tests. And it just makes it so much easier to practice and so much better for our patients to have everything right there in the building. It's not just diagnosing a cancer, it's just not making sure the blood sugar is right. It's more than that, taking care of a patient. And after 32 plus years, some of the patients have been with me my entire career. It is an extended family, so family medicine, family practice, and taking care of the entire family makes for a great day.